Hello everyone, welcome to Gyan Vihar University. I am Dr. Mahendra Dhakar, Assistant Professor, Gyan Vihar School of Education, Suresh Gyan Vihar University, Jaipur. Friends, today we discuss about introduction to the science of yoga and meditation. Yoga defined according Maharshi Patanjali, yoga is a yogasya chitvritti nirodha. चित्तवृत्ति का निरोध करना ही योग है. And the yoke means to yoke, to join, to bring the mind, body and spirit together in a harmonious state. Spirit means to breathe. Therefore, yoga is a spiritual breathing practice. Yoga means union, unite, to join. Union between self and supreme self. आत्मा to परमात्मा. This is योग. योग सूत्र chapter 1 सूत्र number 2 said योगस्य चित्तवृत्ति निरोध, and chapter 1 and सूत्र number 1 अथ योगा अनुशासनम. So we may say yoga means चित्तवृत्ति निरोध. Branch of yoga, bhakti yoga, devotion to selfless service and love. Selfless service and love to Ishwar, to God. Hatha yoga, Ha means sun, Tha means moon, Surya and Chandrama. Asana means posture. Purpose to bring right and left side of body in harmony, male and female sides. Karma yoga, your actions volunteer work, selfless acts of kindness. Karmannavadikarestu. And mantra yoga, using sound, chants, music in yoga practice. That is mantra yoga. And lay yoga, tantric practices, kundalini yoga, healing practices as you share breathe with another. That is lay yoga. And Raj yoga, the yoga of royalty, the eightfold path. Ashtanga yoga is called Raj yoga. Patanjali yoga is called Raj yoga. 8 limbs of the yoga consider as a Raj yoga: यम नियम आसन, प्राणायाम, प्रत्याहार, धारणा, ध्यान, समाधि। Then we discuss branches of yoga. First, Kriya Yoga. Kriya means ritual action, known as the yoga of ritual action. Kriya Yoga is union with the infinite through a certain action or rite. It was produced to the West in the 1920 by Paramhans Yoganand Ji Maharaj, author of the well-known autobiography of a yogi. Yoga of intellect, study of scripture, intellectual thinking, and discussion, study groups, that is Kriya Yoga. And Hatha Yoga, common branch of yoga practiced in America and India also. Many styles of asana, Bikram asana, Ashtanga asana, power asana, traditional hut, Kripalu hut, Viniyog, Sharupa yoga, Anusar yoga, Iyengar, Shivanand, Anand, etc. Raj Yoga, eightfold path या Ashtanga Yoga is called Raj Yoga. First we see Yam, then Niyam. Yam is a name for social order. Ahimsa, non-violence. Aste, non-stealing. Satya, non-lying and truthfulness. Brahmacharya, celibacy or monogamy. Aprigraha, non-hoarding and greedlessness, possessiveness. And other niyam is niyam for individual, clarification of individuals, then such cleanliness of body and mind, santosh, contentment, tapas, discipline, austerity, swadhyay, self-inquiry and self-study, and Iswar Pranidhan, surrender to God, do your work, the name of God. And asana, sacred geometric posture, sthir sukam asanam, asana which we sit with rest, with relax, स्थिर सुकुमासनम. And pranayam, breathing practice. पूरक, कुंभक, रेचक. प्रत्याहार, withdraw within. Withdraw the sense of object. धारणा, देश बंदिश्च, one pointed focus. And ध्यान is observation. And samadhi, bliss state. There are two types समाधि, संप्रज्ञात समाधि और असंप्रज्ञात समाधि. समाधि is highest, heightened and supreme Ashtang Yoga of the yoga. There are many types of asana. Basically, asana is for your fit body. If you have fit body, your mind also fit. स्वस्थ शरीर में ही स्वस्थ मस्तिष्क का निवास होता है. Healthy body and healthy mind live together. You must find success. There are many type asanas for different type of disease, different type of vyadis, physical disease and mental disease, and different type of imbalance in your body and mind and spirit. Then we see meditation. Meditation seizing the fluctuations of the mind. Thoughts are frequencies, waves and particles. Meditation is an intrinsic part of yoga, important part of yoga. Meditation technique, guided imagery, Vipassana, mindful meditation. Vipassana is the Buddhist concept about yoga. Vipassana is very powerful mindful meditation. Breath awareness, third eye focus, front of forehead, and watch for the next thought. Prayer, repetition of a sound mantras. Prayer, bhajan kirtan, repetition of a word, transcendental meditation. Repeat universal sound Om, and silver mind control. And other there are many different type meditation technique. And mudras, first we see Gyan Mudra. What are the method of Gyan Mudra? That is a Gyan Mudra. This type. Touch tip the tip of a thumb to the tip of the index finger. That is index finger and thumb touch. With the other three fingers stretch out, as it is a mudra of knowledge. It enhances the knowledge. The tip of thumb has centers of pituitary and endocrine gland. When we press these centers by index finger, the two glands work activity. The time duration. There is no particular time duration for this mudra. You can practice by sitting, standing or lying on bed whenever and wherever you have time. Benefits of Gyan Mudra: increase memory power and sharpens the brain, enhance concentration and prevents insomnia. If we practice it regularly, it will cure all psychological disorder like mental, hysteria, anger and depression. After Gyan Mudra, we see Prithvi Mudra, Mudra of Prithvi. Tip of the ring finger touch the tip of the thumb. With the other three fingers stretch out. Especially it reduces all physical weaknesses. The time duration, it has no particular time duration. You can practice it anytime you want. And what are benefits of Prithvi Mudra? It helps to increase the weight for weak people. It improves the complexion of skin and makes the skin to glow. It makes the body active by keeping it healthy. This is Gyan Mudra. Varuna Mudra, mudra of water. Tip of little finger touch the tip of thumb. With the other three fingers stretch out. It balances the water content and prevents all disease which come due to lack of water. Time duration. It has no specific time duration and Varuna Mudra, mudra of water. Time duration. It has no specific time duration and one can practice it according to their time. Benefits of Jal Mudra या Varuna Mudra. It retains clarify in blood by balancing water content in the body. Prevents the pains of gastro arteries and muscles shrinkage. Jal Mudra is benefit for muscles pain and body ache. Vayu Mudra, mudra of air. The method is keep the index finger on the base of the thumb. The type, keep the index finger on the base of the thumb and press with thumb, keeping the other three fingers stretched. Especially, it prevents all the disease that occur due to the imbalance of the air. Vayu Mudra is very powerful and very beneficial for disease due to imbalance of air. Time duration. The practice of this mudra for 45 minutes reduce the severity of the disease in 12 to 24 hours. For better results, practice it for 2 months. Benefits of air mudra, vayu mudra या pavan mudra. It cures rheumatism, arthritis, gout, Parkinson disease and paralysis without any medicine It is useful for cervical spondylitis, paralysis to face, and catching of nerve in neck. It corrects the disorder of gas in the stomach. शून्य मुद्रा, mudra of emptiness. Keep the middle fingers at the mount of Venus. And press it with thumb. Specialty: it reduces the dullness in your body. Time duration: you can practice it for 40 to 60 minutes daily until it be cured from the disease. Benefits: it relieves an earache within 4 or 5 minutes. It is useful for the deaf and mentally challenged child, but not for inborn ones. Surya Mudra, Sun Mudra. Bend the ring fingers and press it with thumb. Especially it sharpens the center in thyroid gland. Time duration: practice it daily twice for 5 to 15 minutes. And benefits of Surya Mudra: it reduces cholesterol in body and helps in reduction weight. It reduces anxiety. It corrects indigestion problem. Pran Mudra, Mudra of life. Method: bend ring finger and little finger and touch the tip of thumb with their tips, keeping the remaining 2 fingers stretched. That type. Specialty: as it is the mudra of life, it improves the power of life. Weak people become strong. It reduces the clamps in blood vessels. If we practice it regularly, we will become active. Time duration: no specific time duration. One can practice it anytime. Benefits: it improves immunity, improves the power of eyes, and reduce eye related disease, eye related problem. It removes the vitamin deficiency and fatigue. Apan mudra, mudra of digestion. The tips of middle finger and ring finger touch the tip of thumb, while the other two fingers are stretched out. Especially, it plays an important role in our health as it regulates the excretory system. And time duration, practice it daily for 45 minutes, but practice for longer time yields more benefits. Benefits of Apan Mudra: it regulates diabetes, it cures constipation and piles, it helps excreting and normal waste regular. Apan Vayu Mudra, mudra of heart. Method is the tip of the middle finger and ring finger. The tips of the middle fingers and ring finger touch the tip of thumb, while the index finger touch the base of thumb and little finger stretch out. Especially, it benefits the heart. It works like injection in the reduction of heart attack. It is as powerful as Sorbilat tablet. It reduces the gas content in body. Time duration, practice it as many times as you can. Heart patient and BP patient can practice it for 15 minutes daily twice for better results. Benefits: it strengthens the heart and regularizes palpitation. It regulates excretory system. It reduces gastric trouble. Ling Mudra, mudra of heat. Interlock the finger of both the hands and keep the thumb of the left hand vertically straight. And circle it with the thumb and the index finger in the right hand. It generates heat in our body. Take milk, ghee, more water and fruit juice in addition to practice of this mudra for much benefits. Time duration. Practice it anytime. You want, but don't practice it a lot as it produces heat in the body. It can cause sweating even in winter if you practice it longer. Benefits of Linga Mudra. It stops production of phlegm and gives power to lungs. It cures severe cold and bronchial infection. It invigorates the body. Bandh. Bandhs are internal muscular holds used to generate heat and focus energy in three parts of the body. They are primarily used during pranayama, yogic breathing practice. Although they can be performed during yoga poses, asana as well. Mool Bandh. To perform Mool Bandh, exhale and access your pelvic floor. The space between your pubic bone and tailbone. Gently pull it upward toward your belly button. At first you may need to simply contract and hold the muscles around your anus and genital or both until you get a feel for things down there. However, what you really want to focus on and lift is the perineum. The ticklish spot between your anus and genitals. While holding the lock, do not hold your breath. Breathe naturally. Engaging Mool Bandha while doing yoga poses adds to the concentration and the integrity of the poses. Uddiyana Bandh. To perform the abdominal lock, sit in a comfortable cross-legged half or full lotus position. Exhale completely, then draw the abdomen in and up without inhaling. Draw everything up and underneath the rib cage to unlock Relax the abdomen and inhale. Repeat often. As with the Mool Bandh, the Uddiyana Bandh can also be used during yoga poses. The Bandh naturally massage and cleanse the abdominal organs, and the gentle pressure from the breath intensifies this therapy. Because of the contracting and lifting movements in both the Mool and Uddiyana Bandh, they are complementary and should be attempted together if possible. Lifting and contracting the pelvic floor facilitates doing the same with the abdomen. Combining these locks while practicing yoga asana is exceptionally beneficial. Jalandhar Bandh. To do the throat lock, sit as before in a comfortable cross-legged half and full lotus position. Partially inhale and then hold your breath. Drop your chin about halfway to your chest. Pull your chin back towards your chest so that your neck is in line with your spine. Not rounded. Hold your breath as long as you comfortably can. You will feel the lock high in your throat and along your neck, almost into your scalp. This bandh contributes to correct posture and is believed to take pressure off heart and lungs. Of the three, this is the most difficult bandh to precisely achieve. Serious practitioners should consult a teacher well versed in yogic breathing technique. Performing all three locks at once, the Mool, the Uddiyana and then the Jalandhar, creates that is called the Mahabandh. The great lock, which is said to renew nervous and glands as well as lower blood pressure. The bandhas can be performed anywhere while sitting in traffic, balancing your checkbook. They can be done together, separately, or integrated into asana. Pranayam. Pranayam. benefits of pranayam, we can regain our ability to breathe in a slow, deep, and healthy manner through pranayam. Breathing from the belly button on up increase the rate of metabolism to aid with weight loss. Also, Agni, the digestive fire is extremely important in Ayurveda, Western medical branch of yoga. Having a healthy digestion will improve your entire state of health, body and mind. Strengthens the immune system, calm and steadies the mind, improves focus and concentration, can raise or lower blood pressure depending upon the technique chosen and the desired result. Body use oxygen more efficiently, increase our health, provides sufficient oxygen for the functioning of every cell in your body. Without sufficient oxygen, we can't metabolize food properly and nutrients are wasted. Take time to breathe deeply between your bites of food during meal times, aids digestion in many ways. Forms of pranayam. Udana Vayu is the vital force centered in the throat. Pran Vayu is the vital force centered in the heart, chest and lungs, and by extension with the nose and mouth. Samna Vayu is centered in the abdominal area and is associated with digestion and maintaining the balanced functioning of the abdominal organs. Apan Vayu is centered in the intestine and is associated with exhalation, elimination as well as with the reproductive system. Vyan Vayu pervades the entire body and is especially active in the limbs. Pranayam technique: लंगना, शीतली और शीतकारी, चंद्र भेदन, अनुलोम उज्जाई, अनुलोम कर्मा, अनुलोम विलोम, कपाल भाती, नाड़ी शोधन, उज्जाई, विलोम उज्जाई, सूर्य भेदन, विलोम कर्मा, भस्त्रिका. Then benefits of pranayam: we can regain our ability to breathe in a slow, deep and healthy manner through pranayam. Breathing from the belly button on up increase the rate of metabolism to aid with weight loss. Also, Agni, the digestive fire, is extremely important in Ayurveda, Western medical branch of yoga. Having a healthy digestion will improve your entire state of health, body and mind, strengthens the immune system, calms and steadies the mind, improves focus and concentration, can raise or lower blood pressure depending upon the technique chosen and the desired result. Body uses oxygen more efficiently, increase our health, provide sufficient oxygen for the functioning of every cell in our body. Without sufficient oxygen, we cannot metabolize food properly and nutrients are wasted. Take time to breathe deeply between your bites or food during meal times, aids digestion in many ways.